Let me show you something you may not have seen before. It's a coloring magazine called Catatonic. It's like a fashion magazine, but with stylish cats that we get to color. Today we'll color in this cool headshot, and I'll show you how I do it. I'm using a basic set of color pencils and starting with the background. I color lightly so I can darken if I need to. As I make my way around, I choose the colors that I think will work best. There's no wrong way to do it. You get to follow your creative instincts. As I finish up the background, I switch over to some soft pastel pencils. I want to make this jacket a blue color, but I see that the light in the background is yellow, so I'd yellow to the highlight areas. I then switch to a dark purple pencil to fill in the shadows. By doing these extra steps, I'll give this jacket more depth and a more realistic look. Now I can fill in the midtones with blue. After I lay the colors down, I'll switch over to my blending stump and gently blend these colors together. Blending is my favorite part of working with pastels, especially when coloring fabric. Let's knock out the other side. I'll use the same technique and fill in some details. This is looking really good and it's leading us towards our cat face. I'll start by coloring the highlights yellow, just like my jacket. This helps give the appearance of a backlight and will make this page pop. I color in any area that looks bright white. I'm going to do something a little different for this cat's fur. It's going to be a punk rock pink color. I'll start by hitting all the shadow areas with a red pencil. And that's what I love about this coloring magazine. You are free to choose whatever colors you want. You can experiment and go crazy, and it will still look amazing. I take my time to lightly fill in all the areas of the fur so the pink looks natural and not super strong. Right now, I'm just laying down all the colors before I blend them all together. For the ears, I use a combination of brown, pink, and yellow. It's helpful to find a picture of a cat to see what colors you would find in the ears. We're almost done because now it's time to blend. You can also use colored pencils if you don't have pastels. We have several videos where we use only colored pencils. And we receive fan images where people have used pens and markers as well. We always love seeing what people come up with. Our nose will have a touch of yellow for the highlights, and I'll blend it with some red. And last but not least, let's make these some cool gold-rimmed glasses. It's all these little details that make a realistic coloring page really special. Let's take a look at our finished product. This took a relaxing 30 minutes to complete, and I think it turned out really well. Don't be intimidated by art, fashion, or cats. These pages help you ease into your creative mindset. Thank you for watching.